What's up, traders? It's your girl Kaya Trade. Today is Friday. We're gonna finish off the week strong. CPI was this morning, so there is no more red folder news, but we're gonna hop on the charts and see if we can take an opportunity out of the market. I go live with my community in about 2 minutes at 9:15 Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to be a part of that community, go ahead and click the link in the description. We keep it nice and fresh and fun in that live. You don't want to miss it. But it's about 8:13. I got 2 more minutes before I hit that live. So let's go ahead and hit the charts. Alrighty, so I did take a trade. As you can see on my screen, I took sells for today, and we just took the one-to-one. Taking these trading accounts a little bit slower, kind of, but not really, but kind of. So I'm just gonna break down how I got to this sell for today, and then how we were achieving one-to-one. We made about almost $200 on the day across all 5 accounts. That's like almost $1,000. So I'm cool with that. I'm content with that. So let's go ahead and get into that breakdown. So as always, I start with my daily time frame. We're gonna get rid of some of this so you guys can see. So as you guys can see on my screen, market has a lot of bearish candles coming out of it right now. Starting off the day, I saw that we were underneath the 13 EMA. So I was looking for sales generally. And we also have this daily demand zone right here, this wick that has not been tapped. So my daily point of interest for a wick. And then as you can see, I already have a lot of stuff on there. So we're just gonna go on down to the 4-hour and see what we see. Even just zooming in on here, we can see that right now we're going very bearish. There is a 1-hour zone. We haven't gotten there yet. There is a 1-hour gap. We haven't gotten there yet. But as of right now, price has not broken a structure to the highs. So I was still very confident in sells. If we drop down to the 1-hour time frame, now we start seeing zones like this that is nice and available for price to go down to, as well as that gap right there. So I was really confident in the sells today. We did break the structure, so I marked out this zone, but price definitely might just run through it. So we dropped down to our 5-minute, and I noticed price is moving beautifully downwards. And I noticed that we had the supply zone from this week, but we also had this 5-minute demand zone. We also had one, that one was kind of tapped right here, but we also had one up here. So either way you want to put it, we have a 5-minute demand zone up there. Soon as market opened, market shot up to that zone, broke through some of these other zones, and we got it did not invalidate my zone, which a wick through my zone is invalidation for me, so I will ignore that zone. But this one didn't do that, and we got some strong rejection from it, and a bearish candle coming out. So I just waited for a break of the candle to the downside. It did that, and then boom, the rest was history. Almost little to no drawdown. I think it went to drawdown right before going to TP, so just had to be patient for this trade. Definitely could have held it a little bit longer, but you know, I'll take my one and done. I'll take my dub for the day, and we'll let price do whatever it wants to do, and we'll be back at it again next week. Making money is not hard out of the markets. Controlling yourself is hard. That is the hard part, because there are so many profitable strategies out there, but do you have the patience? Do you have the discipline to follow that strategy and let it play out? So overall, great day. I have all 5 of my accounts, and yeah, we are profitable on the week. So there's nothing else for me to do today, so I'm gonna go ahead and log off and enjoy the rest of my day. Catch you guys in the next one.